Hey guys, it's David with Cars and Code. This video is a continuation of previous videos, so click the link below if you haven't seen those yet. So in this video, we're going to actually take our Android application and publish it onto the Google Play Store. So in order to do this, we're going to have to go to play.google.com/apps/publish. Now I'm not actually registered yet, so we're going to go through this registration process. When we first come to the page, we're going to get a screen that looks something like this. And we're going to agree to the developer agreement and continue to payment. Now in payment, I'm going to use the Visa that I already have in here. And the payment is complete, so I'll receive a receipt by email. And I'm going to continue on, and here's where I'm going to fill out all the information about myself. And I will complete registration. Now we have the Google Play console, so we're going to go and publish an Android app on Google Play. The title is going to be Friction Circle. Now we're going to have to fill in a short description, full description, and add a bunch of other information like screenshots of what the app looks like, high-res icon, feature graphic, as well as some optional stuff here. We're going to have to pick out a category, application type. We have to fill out something for a content rating. We'll have our email address as well as a possible privacy policy. Once we do that, we actually have some more stuff on the left that we're going to have to fill out, like this content rating thing, the pricing and distribution, meaning where will it be available, as well as the actual APK files that we're going to have for our app. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information. So here I'm going to actually go and take some screenshots and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've got a feature graphic, a logo, and 2 screenshots to add. So we're going to scroll down, we're going to grab an application type. So in order to do our content rating, we have to actually first upload an APK. So let's go back over to Visual Studio and do that. Now the first thing we're going to do is I'm actually going to change the package name because I want the assembly name to be something different. Once we've done that, we can double check that our Android manifest is also correct. Okay, let's move on. We're going to leave all of this stuff the same. We could come in here and enable some ProGuard and Multidex to make the APK a little bit more efficient, and maybe I'll come back and do that later. But right now, I just want to get it running in the store. So now we've got these options correct. Let's switch to a App Store release and come over to the Android project and archive. So once it's done archiving, we're going to go and distribute it. Now we're going to do an ad hoc distribution. We're going to select my signing identity. We're going to save it in the Documents folder at com.dhauk.frictioncircle.apk. Okay, now we have that APK file saved locally. We can go back to Google Chrome and our Google Play console, and we can add a new APK file. So manage production, and we're going to create a new release. So we're going to enroll in the Google Play app signing. Now we're going to upload an APK. Okay, now we have a release name of 1, because this is going to be our first release. We can go to review, and this release is ready to be rolled out. So we have our application file out here ready to be rolled out. So let's head back to our store listing now, and if we scroll down, we can now apply this content rating. So we're going to go through this little questionnaire to see what our app should be rated. So first, enter an email address. I will say this is a utility application, so we'll click on that. It does not contain violent materials, no sexual material, no offensive languages, no drugs. It does not allow users to interact with each other. does not share any personal information, it does not use physical location, doesn't allow them to purchase digital goods, no Nazi symbols, and it is not a web browser or search engine. So let's save questionnaire and calculate rating. So it looks like we're pretty much E for everyone, the lowest rating possible, which is because we had to answer all those correctly. So apply rating. Okay, now we have our rating applied. Now let's go back to our store listing and scroll down again. Now we have an email and a privacy policy. We're just going to not submit a privacy policy URL at this time. Let's go back up and save draft. Now we can see our app releases is checkmarked, store listing is checkmarked, and content rating is checkmarked. So the last thing we have to do before releasing is do the pricing and distribution. So we're going to make this a free application, and we're going to do it as available in the entire world, so anyone can download it. It is not primarily directed towards children under the age of 13. It has no ads, and it is not Android Wear, Android TV, or Android Auto. It is not Daydream, not designed for families. It is not for education. We're not going to opt out of marketing. If they want to market the application, go ahead. I doubt there's going to be many downloads, but that's how you would opt out if you don't want marketing to promote your app. We're going to say it does meet the Android content guidelines, and it may be subject to United States export laws. So let's go back up to the top and let's save the draft here. And now everything is green. We have all these green check marks. Now we are ready to publish. So let's click ready to publish. Let's go back to manage releases and edit release. So we've got the prepare release. Let's go to review. And it looks like everything is all set. So let us start the rollout to production. Confirm. So our app is now released and live in the store. So if you go to the Google Play Store, you can see this app in the Play Store. So that's going to be the end of this video series. If you guys want to see more like it, let me know. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you next time.